Welcome back, guys. MG Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could boost your TikTok account from 0 followers to over 10k following. As you can see, this is my second TikTok account with over 10.2k followers. In this very video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you could boost it and get up to this amount of followers in your TikTok account. Real quick before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It's not gonna waste your time. So, guys, as you can see over there, it's a new account. This is a new account with over 198 followers. With over 108 followers. So, guys, I'm gonna be doing this very small trick that's gonna boost our followers. As you can see over here, my new followers are adding like every time. They are just adding. The followers are getting higher and higher and higher. Alright, guys, so this is the trick. So we need to first look for or search for someone that has that he's following is equivalent to his followers. Like this account over here is following over 1,600 follower of people, and his followers are just 1,100. So, guys, as you can see, this one over here, she's following 8k and followers are just 5k. So there's a tendency that if you follow this person over here with 5k followers, she's gonna follow you back. Alright, guys, like this account, this TikTok content whatsoever that I saw online with equivalent following and followers, that's how the account gets boosted. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the following there is 254 and the followers here are 90. So there's a tendency that if you also follow this one, you're gonna be getting some amount of followers. You're gonna be getting the person's attention and the person is gonna follow you back. Alright, guys, so this one is following over 3k and followers are 800. So the tendency also that if you follow that one, it's gonna follow you back. Alright, guys, same with all those people here, same with the rest people here. As you can see, the equivalent, the following and followers, they are equivalent. Yeah, they are equivalent. So to gain more followers, you just need to follow people that are followers are equivalent, following equivalent, and followers equivalent. So that's how to earn on this app. So as you can see, earn followers on this app rather. Alright, guys, as you can see over there, my stuff has not increased yet. I need to do some other tries. Real quick, let's try this out and you see notifications that I'll get right now. So, guys, I checked it earlier and we have 198 followers. So we're gonna be following these guys, we're gonna be following these people. Though sometimes you could get restricted from following people just like that. You could get restricted from following people, but once you are having the chance, once you are eligible to follow, guys, just follow people and follow people that are gonna follow you back, so that at the end you and that person, they are gonna be earning. Yeah, that person is gonna be earning. Don't forget to follow my official account with over 10k followers. I would really appreciate that. Alright, guys, so this is stuff. So let's keep following these guys. Let's keep following them. Like a person like this. Let's check this out. As you can see, his followers are this amount and his following are this amount. So there's a tendency that as I follow him, he's gonna follow me back. There's a big tendency. Alright, follow people that they are following and their followers, they are equivalent, like that one over there that I just showed you. Alright, guys, so let's keep on following. So, guys, you could follow like up to 500 people in just an hour. If you don't get restricted, you could follow them in just an hour and you could earn from that stuff. You could earn followers from that stuff. Are you getting me, guys? So let's keep following. Alright. So I was having 198 followers right now. So after following these guys, I'll wait for some time and I'll go check my notification, my followers, my newly added followers. I'm having 198. I'll go check that. One real thing about this stuff that we're doing is that people are not going to unfollow you. The people that you are following right now, they're not going to unfollow you. They are going to follow you back. Alright, guys. So as you can see, this person over here is following 8,000, and his followers are just 3K. There's a big tendency that this guy is gonna follow you back. Alright, guys. So it was 198, like recently, and right now is 199. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait for some time to get um up to like some newly added followers. Let's wait for like 20 minutes, or let me just say 10 minutes. Alright, guys, so I think I'm kind of restricted from following much people because for today, because I was following some bunch of people right real quick right now, but it was not adding to the people I was following. So guys, you could try this every 24 hours and it's gonna work for you. As you could see, the followers have changed to 200, and as people get notification that they got a follower, the same way they are gonna follow you back. So that's how this method works. Thank you guys for watching.